Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging in with PAN and password, then complete two-factor authentication. This secures your session. Once logged in, navigate to Compliance or E-Verify from the dashboard. You need the assessment year and relevant form numbers handy. Make sure to note any active notices before proceeding, because those drive the checks you will perform. If your account lacks permissions, request access now. Otherwise, continue to the Compliance section and select the taxpayer entity you intend to review. You then run the portal's mismatch and verification reports. Start by selecting the assessment year and return type. Once done, compare TDS statements against Form 26 as and bank remittances to identify missing credits or excess claims. Make sure to expand each mismatch entry to read supporting details. This shows why the portal flagged it. While reviewing, record exact discrepancy amounts, reference numbers, and dates. These notes become the basis for corrections or responses, so be precise and save exported reports. You complete the workflow by choosing corrective action. File a rectification, update return details, or upload supporting documents where allowed. After submitting changes, rerun the compliance checks and confirm the portal reflects updated tax credits and no unresolved mismatches. Make sure to download confirmations and acknowledgement numbers. They serve as proof. If issues remain, open a help desk ticket, include the error code and screenshots, and follow up with the reference ID until the portal shows a compliant status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.